What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RC Voodoo. Today I have the next veteran build for Operation 11 Charlie, and this will be given away at the Veterans Parade in Orlando, Florida on November the 9th. And what I'm going to do is install a low center of gravity battery tray. This comes with the optional mount that goes between the front shock towers when the brace is in there, and you can relocate your ESC up to or your receiver up to the top if you want to get it off the trays, and you relocate your ESC to the top of the battery tray, but you don't have to. It's just optional. So basically this is a two-part design. The top half and then the actual tray, and it is made to fit right on top of the stock transmission. It sets in the little slots, the screw, then a spacer, then the screw. And if you've seen the stock battery tray, you have your battery up here with that, big top heavy battery tray that traxxas gives you. So we're getting that off of there and getting it down between the rails and toward the back. I do sell these on eBay, so if anyone's interested, I'll leave my link to my eBay store, but this one's for the veterans build. And since we're talking about the veterans build, I would like to go ahead and give a shout out to the people that's donated so far. You got Dean's Designs, Denali Underground, Axiomatic, RC Intro, Tibber Vaughn, Wayne Kibler's RC Adventures, Honey Lulu, RC Big Air, RC Voodoo, which is me, Johnny Rains, Axle Twister RC, and Barbecue something. I'll make sure I put all these links in the description. So would also like to thank all of the people that's donated through the Operation 11 Charlie GoFundMe page, and I will leave that in the description also. So what you do, you will remove your stock battery tray, and the two screws out of the front of the shock towers. You will get screws, longer screws with the battery tray because the stock ones are too short, and you will use your original screws from the battery tray for the front of the battery tray. So let's just go ahead and get this installed. Change the tip here. You don't want to over tighten this because this is 3D printed. It's pretty tough, but still you don't want to go crazy with it. Okay, for the back, you take the M3 screw, go through the shock tower, then through the spacer, to the battery tray. Turn it around and do the same thing. Go through the shock tower. Probably the hardest part about this is getting a little spacer in there, but it's not too bad. And there you go. Of course, you got you'll use Velcro straps. I've got the slots. You can see it's got the slots for the straps front and back, so you can use 2 straps if you want. Like I said, this piece will go here between the shock tower brace, but it's optional. You don't have to use it. Now, if you look, it gets the battery down instead of up here, you know, with the stock box and then the big latch that comes with that. It gets it a lot lower down between the rails, between the shock towers. So there you go. It's that simple. That's going to do it. I'm going to hand this back over to Javier at 11 Charlie RC. Y'all be sure to keep a check on the build. He gives regular updates on the progress. And like I said, again, I want to thank everybody that's donated to this build and the people who's participated in the GoFundMe. It really helps a lot. It goes a long way bringing RC to disabled vets, wounded warriors. Gives them something to look forward to. And you know, this is hopefully can save a life. With the number of veteran suicides is it's too much. And you know, something as simple as an RC hobby can give them something to look forward to, get outside, get to meet people, get out of the depression, and just cope with you know, some of the stuff they went through. So that's going to do it, guys. Once again, on behalf of all of us at Operation 11 Charlie, I want to thank you all, and we will see you next time.